In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record breaks in Hubstaff. If you're already tracking time and need to step away from your desk for a few minutes, Hubstaff makes it simple to log that break without interrupting your overall workflow. Recording breaks properly can help keep your timesheets accurate and make sure your work hours and break time are clearly separated. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to start a break and then return to work when you're ready. To begin, make sure you've already started tracking time on the project or task you're currently working on. This is important because the break feature works while an active timer is running. Once your time is being tracked, look for the break icon, which is shown as a small coffee cup. This icon is designed to be easy to recognize, so it should stand out in the timer controls. When you're ready to take a break, simply click the coffee cup icon. As soon as you do, your break timer will begin. This lets Hubstaff know that you're temporarily pausing active work while still keeping a clear record of your time. It's a useful feature if you want your reporting to reflect not just when you worked, but also when you stepped away. For example, this can help if your team wants more accurate time logs, or if you personally like to keep a clean record of your day. While the break timer is running, you can go ahead and take your break as needed. Hubstaff will continue marking that period as break time until you manually end it. A helpful tip here is to remember to return to the app when your break is over, so your tracked work time stays as accurate as possible. When you're ready to resume working, click. Stop to end the break and continue tracking your work time. This action tells Hubstaff that your break has finished and that you're back on task. It's a quick transition, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very natural part of your routine. That's all it takes to record breaks in Hubstaff. Start tracking time on your project or task, click the break icon to begin your break, and then click stop when you're ready to continue working. Keeping track of breaks this way can help you stay organized, improve accuracy, and make your time records much easier to review later.